Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so I have a product here by Olight. I know it's not new, but I think it's definitely worth talking about. Now, if you're like me, if you're somebody that's into firearms, you're a trainer, you're law enforcement, you're military, you probably run gun lights on your gun, correct? Now, it's always been the big flashlights at the bottom of the pistols, and now we're starting to see that the miniaturizing of these lights are getting better and better. They're getting lighter. People don't want to have these big bulky guns anymore, okay? So Olight came up with a product which I think Olight had one, and this is the PL2 Mini. All right, this is the newest version. It has 600 max lumens and a 100-meter throw, which is pretty impressive for a light. All right, that's just the box. Inside the box, you'll get some directions, a little bit of paper information. You'll also get your magnetic charger, which is kind of cool. So at the bottom of the Olight, you have this magnetic charger, and then you plug in your USB. The manual says it takes about an hour for it to charge up. Also, inside your box, you're going to get a 1913 rail and a tool if you need to change it out. Inside here, it already comes preset with the Glock tool. As you can see right there, it'll say GL on it. Most of the people that run these lights will probably run a Glock. However, I have a couple different firearms. All these firearms have already been safety checked. The magazines are removed. There is no brass or ammunition anywhere in the vicinity. So let's talk a little bit about this light. If you don't have one, I highly recommend that you buy one. I have my link down below. That is my affiliate link. And if you use the discount code 3RB, the number 3RB, you'll get 10% off anything on the site. I think that's pretty cool. Just for being one of my subscribers, you get to get a discount on these lights. Now, I saw on the website they're running around, I think, $129, something like that. They have a whole bunch of stuff up there right now for Valentine's Day, and they have discounts and all that kind of stuff. But if you wanted anything from the site, you use 3RB and you get 10% off. So that's my gift to you, and thank you for watching. Also, remember to like and subscribe and do all that stuff and throw some love this way as well. So a little bit about the specs. Only 2.57 ounces with a maximum of a 600 lumen output and 100-meter throw. World's first compact rechargeable weapons light, and it has an adjustable rail, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Quick lever attach and allows for installation detachment in seconds. Compatible with most pistols, including subcompacts. All right, really cool, right? Because typically what you would have to do with these is you'd have to have another light that kind of clamped to the guard of the weapon, or the trigger guard, and I wasn't really a big fan of that. Ultra compact and lightweight, and magnetic charging like we just saw. Like I said, throw it on there for an hour or so, put it by your nightstand, obviously away from children, keep it safe, and you're good to go. If you didn't want to do that, you can just take it off your gun, leave this on your gun, and then just take this piece off and charge it up. What I like about this light is the fact that it does have a ratcheting system, and I'll give you a close-up look at that. The ratcheting system is twofold. It keeps this connected to the gun. All right, this is your piece that connects to the gun, and it gives you unlimited mobility. So what it does is it adjusts to the gun, and let's just take a look at that. Okay, so again, this is SDX, all right, SDX9, and all you're really doing is you're looking for the notch under here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this piece to the notch, as you can see right there, and then slide it back and then just lock it in. That's it. I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, no noise, no rattling, nothing like that. The gun will cycle, that kind of thing. Now, all you need to do to activate this light is there's two modes. There's a mode where if you hold your finger on it, it's a temporary mode, and then the finger comes off, it goes off. It is ambidextrous. You could try it with your thumb, okay, and then it'll come off. If you wanted to have constant light, what you do is you click it on really quick and you remove your finger, and again on this side. All right, so constant mode or temporary mode. And then if I wanted to remove it, all I would do is again take it off, put it on my Glock. Alright, again, all you're doing is lining up this notch, and it already has the Glock piece in there, and as you can see, I'm just sliding it back to my trigger guard, and I'm good to go. Same thing, no rattle. Alright, that's actually the gun itself. Like I said, the gun is safe. So let's say, alright, I'm done with this, I went to the range. Now I want to put something a little bit bigger on there. I have my nice SIG. Alright, and on the SIG, it has multiple slots. Alright, so you just decide which one you like, which one it fits on, and then connect it, and then move it back to the trigger guard, and then lock it in. Again, no rattle, doesn't go anywhere. I'm not pulling it off. That ratcheting system works. And I got on, off, or momentary on, momentary off, same thing. Now, the only thing that you're going to run into, the only issue that you're going to run into, and again, all right, safety check, it is empty. The only problem that you might run into is holsters, okay? So for me, it's not really a problem because as you guys know, I make holsters. So for the Glock 19, I have this available. If you guys are interested and if you need a holster, I have this available. Alright, go to 3riverkydex.com. It does not have to be in multicam. This is my own personal one that I made today. Go to 3 River Kydex. I will make you a holster. If you don't see the one that's up there, fill out the custom form. Tell me you saw the video. Tell me it's for Olight, for the Valkyrie 2, and we will work something out. Okay? But as far as this is concerned, this is a fantastic light. I love that it's so small. I love that the ratchet system makes it universal, and really for less than 3 ounces it's not bad. Now MSRP on there, you're looking at $120, $129, but again, if you use my discount code 3RB, click on the link below, you're going to get it for a lot cheaper, a hell of a lot cheaper. So I hope you like this review, guys. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Go check out Olight, what they have, and as always, be safe. Thank you very much.